Hedgehog's video channel, Hedgehog fans. I'm back home. Kylie the Hedgehog's here, but I don't want to bring her because this is the kitchen. You can see my fish tank. Yeah. And I was wondering, do you guys have a feeling when you're enjoying your tortilla chips with sour cream? Oh, and you say it's kind of boring because it tastes like milk. I'm going to show you how to do an easy recipe that I use at Kipper the dog's restaurant. Okay, so first we need some sour cream. The boring ingredient, but it's going to taste super delicious after this. Okay, so you also need a spoon. Okay, first you are going to need some ketchup. Gotta shake it. Open it. Okay, put some ketchup in. Now some mustard. You just need to make sure you don't put too much of your ingredients. Then you need mustard beads. Oh, almost got dirty. Those are cool, right? You just need to make sure you don't add too much. And we've got to wash our spoon. Okay, so now I cleaned up the spoon. And now you might think this is spicy and hot for the kids and you, but actually it'll barely give you a taste of the spiciness. Horseradish. Okay, gotta open it. Oh, I forgot to close the mustard beads. Okay, now I'm gonna get some horseradish out of there. Gotta make sure. You don't want too much of your horseradish in there. If you want it a bit more, like less taste, you put less horseradish. If you want it more, you can put more. But you have usually more of your ingredients, like the mustard beads, the mustard, the ketchup, and the sour cream. So it's gonna have a bit less of the taste. Now I'm gonna clean the spoon and my finger, of course. Okay, so now we've got to stir it. You need to make sure your sauce does not look like this with any colors in it. See, you don't want it to look like this, like a giant mess. I know this might be a little noisy, but this is how you're supposed to do it. Oh, have I told you the good news? My blue fish is feeling a little better. Yeah. Yeah, it might look like this. Yeah, you want it exactly with no color, like a bit peach, and you want it to look like this. Kind of white in the camera, but it's peach the way I see it. Gotta clean the spoon again, but I guess we should put it in the dishwasher. Oh, hedgehog fans. It's okay if a little bit of color leaves stays a bit on the edges, but it's completely fine. Yeah. Okay, hedgehog fans. Now we're gonna try out some chips and dip. You can see a bit of yellow on the edges. That's from the mustard, but it's fine. I told you already. Yeah, that's our sauce we made together. Of course you're learning. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to try some chips and dip. Look how good that looks. Would you like some hedgehog fans? Would you like to smell the sauce? Mmm. Mmm. This is delicious. I've tried it before, of course. And one day I ate some with my blue fish. This is so good. I guess you need Heinz ketchup and mustard. Yeah. See you on the next video, hedgehog fans. I hope you make some homemade Tiger's restaurant sauce